Welcome to Kian Technology. Today I am going to present my project Speed Fitness, a complete gym management system design, a complete to help a gym owner and fitness center manage their detailed operations and digital. This platform simplify the member management, staff members, attendance, membership, payments, classes, and scheduling. Branches management through a single centralized system. Here you can see landing page. And if I talk about login dashboard, so there are different type of login dashboard, like different roles are available here, and securely login to details like admin, super admin, admin managers, and general trainer and personal trainer, members, housekeeping, and reception. If I talk about super admin, so here you can see dashboards like total revenues, monthly revenues, new admins, and total admins, branches. Different type of branches are also available here, like there are also edit button like that. See, watching this button, delete delete the details, and successfully a pop-up coming here. And next is at the branches require plans, pricing, payment system also coming here, like you can see the payment systems, which type of payment you can credit card or another things. Settings are also different types of details are coming here. Change the profile and upload the profile, that. So next thing is that super next page is that admin dashboard. The admin dashboard memberships, QR check-in, check-in plans, classes schedules, add the classes, and fill the details and save the form. And you can easily save the details here. And staff managing, salary calculation, shifting management, task management, personal trainer, a menu is also coming here, sales report, and attendance report, like that. 92% scheduling, names, roles, accepting, scheduling, present, and complaints. Another is settings here, or save the details. And now go to another dashboard. Here you can say task manager, manage the and duty roster, classes schedule, report, and communication. Next one is that general trainer. You can see that here is the dashboard. It is revenue chart, classes today, member of trainer, pending systems, or classes week, or classes schedule, shifting management, QR check-in, and attendance, and group of plans. Like you can watching this details, or another is go to plan or booking report, classes, or like total students, present student, average, or classes checked. Now go to another dashboard, personal trainer. You can, if I talk about personal trainer, so here is, you can see the dashboard, total revenues, zone size, classes schedule, shifting management, session booking, QR checking, attendance, plans or bookings, or report session. Or last one is that, sorry, not last one is last member dashboard. QR check-in also coming here, like a manually check-in or QR check-in, scan the session or successfully upload the details or check out the details, or attendance, plans, my account, or this. So now go to housekeeping menu, that you can see the details. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for my side. Here you can see reception details.